Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Allure. This box is $15 a month, I believe. If that's not right, I'll put it on the screen. Paris is rolling around super fast here. I can't wait to vlog that. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. You will get the chance to sign up for that giveaway until I get back from Paris, and then as soon as I do, I will be announcing the winners and shipping the prizes off. Also, there's a bunch of other information down below if you care to give it a gander. So let's get into Allure. So I open it up and this is what I see. You get the little booklet. And if I remember correctly, I think this has the stuff inside of it and how much it's worth. Yes. And then I get my bag. So it's a nice greenish yellow this time around. Let's see. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a They're Real mascara, travel size mascara or deluxe size mascara. And the full size retails for $24. I think that I've used this mascara before. I'm almost positive I have another one of these already in my thing, so I will just toss this in the giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out is this travel-sized makeup eraser. This retails for $12, and I will actually toss this in the giveaway too because I have a full size of this. The next thing I am pulling out is a multitask eye serum, and I believe that they are eye masks. There is a glare. There we go. And let's see, what does that retail for? That retails for $35. The next thing I am pulling out is a Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. And what is this? Okay, so I guess it's just a face cream. And the full size retails for $40. The next thing I am pulling out is an essential lip color by Cargo. I will keep that in its package, but that retails for $22. And if this is any indication, that is the color. So it's like an orangish red, maybe like a fire truck red or a fire engine red. I will just toss that in the giveaway. I'm super excited for the giveaway, you guys. I can't wait to pick winners. The next thing is the Larizzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. I don't know what that means. Oh, that's eyeshadow. I already have one of those. I actually have 2 of those hanging out over there. So I will actually pass that along too. Oh, and it retails for $22 if I didn't say that. And the last thing I am pulling out here is a triple action eye cream. And I will keep this. And this retails for $40. It says this eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. Okay, that's cool. So I do think that this bag was, or this box was good this month. I mean, the only thing I'm keeping is this, but I do think that these, well, I think that this is a good product. I think that this is a good product. I go back and forth on Cargo products. I don't think I've ever had a lipstick from them, but, and then this the product that I had did not work for me, but I'll put it in the giveaway. Maybe it'll work for one of you. And that is it for Allure. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. I totally forgot about these two products. I threw them over there. I will be keeping these two products too. So, and I don't know anything about these products, but I'm sure they're great. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.